Hey, everybody, it's your boy SUI Railfender, and yeah, we're gonna be playing this game called Airplane 2, and yeah, and I'm here with Bozo, Uni Zero. You can also subscribe to him. I'll put the link of his channel in my in the description of the video. All right, let's go. Okay, let's go. All right, let's go on this one. Alright, yeah. This is a game I haven't played in a while, so yeah. Alright. Uni Zero, put your find to see with your name. Come over here. Uni Zero. Oh, whatever. You sit right here, Right here. Alright, okay. Oh my god, it teleported me. Just sit back, relax. Oh my god, what is this goofy plane you built? For real. And who puts the name as Kelly and puts an I in it? For real. You heard right. Yes, you noob. Damn. Alright. Bro, hurry up. We don't want to hear your story, bro. Like, for real. Yeah, check out his channel. I'll have it in link in the description once the video is done. I find your seats before something happens. I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay. What the heck? What just happened? You did a barrel roll. He's like, what the? Whatever that is. Well, thank you for your cooperation. What is it? What, for making us do a barrel roll, bro? Biden for 2022. Alright, let's go. Stand up. Biden name his censor. Okay. Oh wait, I think there's like notes in here. Yeah. No, a little whitehead. Okay, stop being a time waster, bro. Hurry up. Thank you. Laptops. have 100 subscribers, bro. Yeah, sure, I'll grab a glass of water. Ooh, she spilled it! She spilled the drink! Oh wait, it's a he. L. El Bozo. Grab this moved, people. It's just a broom. Thank you. I'm cleaning all of this up. I'm just kicking the cups. Look, I can kick the cups. Oh, L agent, L agent.
Hey, what about the Weird Al Yankovic movie?
Don't mind the background.
Okay, it's ready to go.
My uncle will be a better cook. Willie, my uncle Willie is a better cook. Just a habit, bro. I think everybody knows that, all right? Yeah, no, we see it. We see your name, bro. Nobody asked you. Okay. You didn't see anything. You didn't see anything. You didn't see anything. But Uncle Willie has died. You said that, and he said what at the exact same time when you said my Uncle Willie has died. Bro, why isn't you look? I don't. I'm not even a chef. Boy, I'm taller than you. You're throwing off me. You're throwing off me off the plane. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. What, oh, okay. What the hell I'm supposed to do? What, noob? Okay. Help. Throw it in the trash. More like put it back. I hate my life. Okay, butter. Okay. Ugh, who puts apple in their soup? Jeez. Okay, what is this? Some gross off food? I see promo. Jeez, finally.
I like the other ones you had last time, though.
For real? Actually, no. It's mid. It's alright. Hey, Uni, sit your butt down. You're about to die, bro. You're about to die. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Thank you. No. I'm eating the food. whatnot. Mm. They were trash. Alright, let's go to the computer room. Ooh. Wait, now that I'm not that soup, it's making me want to eat a sausage. Go, 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 go. Oops. What? Now you must figure out the code. Good luck, hackers. Boy, this game is racist. They put white. Alright. Change it up, you noobs. There we go. We didn't even have to hack. We just had options. Whoa, we really need to work on that code. No, you need better context. You're basically describing us as hackers when you clearly told us the code. And we were trying to solve it. Oh wait, I think there's like something, yeah, haunted. Bro, you freaking furry, move out of the way. I want to be the hero, not you. Move. 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 Monkey. No, I'm just kidding. That's racist. Sus. I found them! Haha, you suck at clicking. Great, let's open the door. Whoa. I don't want to think about where this is going. Nah. Hell no. Welcome to Beach, China. Let me see my. Oh, bro. It's nighttime already. Yeah, we can see. We have eyes. I can't see. There's some. I can't even get out. This game's hacking. Boy, you know I can see you right there, right? Oh, I just exposed it. Uh-oh. Bro, what? I booted him up. Oh no! It's what? Did you forget about me, Soren? Oh shoot! Oh go 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 go! Run! No, I'm stuck! I'm stuck. I'm literally this close to dying. I'm like the last one behind. Go, 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 go. No, it's coming at. No, hurry up. Go, 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 go. How is there lava on the plane? We're in air. And how is it still flying? Go, 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 go. Fire, 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 fire. Hey, get up in the highest place. Get up, get up. Yeah, right here, right here. Everybody get up here. Whoa. No, I'm just kidding. Are we safe now? Looks like it. The floor. Oh no! Get on right quick. I know what you're saying. The fire is gone. How is the fire gone? Did the firefighters came mid-air and were like, oh, we need to solve this fire. Oh wait, there's something else. Dude. Guys, the phone.
Well, Idols, your ball soon will leave, says David Morrell Jr. is good, but has not faced anyone on his level. You know, Idols told me his game plan, pressure Morrell. Make this
Stand here next for the thumbnail.
close range. He believes his body work, his power punching will be too much for Morrell. And Morrell will not only suffer his first defeat tonight, but also lose by stoppage in front of his home crowd. As we approach our main event here in Minneapolis,
Okay.
as we said, our Showtime Sports announce team was handling the blowout road tonight. It is the voice of Showtime Sports, Mauro Ranallo, and working with Mo, the Hall of Famer Al Bernstein, and former 3-division champion Abner Mares. Fighter interviews, reporting ringside, another member of the Hall of Fame, Jim Gray, and our third Hall of Famer, Good, our boxing historian, of course, providing the unofficial scoring updates as well. Felix De Jesus, he's our
What monster?
you can listen to this broadcast
You will not escape this time. Bro, there's still a cup down here. Someone need to clean that up. Oh no 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 no! Run 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 run! Just let her chase her. Let her chase her. She has to deal with that.
event of the evening. Two unbeaten fighters and power punchers. Let's go back ringside. Here's Mo.
Thank you very much, Brian. And yes, what a main event on tap. In his adopted hometown,
No, let's just keep going. We just keep going over here.
consecutive knockout victory here in Minneapolis. He takes on a man who's been waiting a long time for this.
Trust. I need to find more clues. More clues. Blues clues. Like for real though. Oh heck no, he's bringing this thing in. No, no, no. No, no, no! Where did this thing come from? Move! Stupid table, bro. Oh, wait. Uni. Where are you? Mr. Yum Yum. Oh no, I think, yeah, it's just gonna teleport us. It's just gonna teleport us. We good. Bro, how is the pilot still alive? Great, everyone is in here. What is his plane built though? I'm just taking a full. What is his plane built? Okay. Okay, there we go. I knew there was something. Hey! There's gonna be a gun spawning here. I'll pick it up. I'm not just a pilot. I'm also a secret agent and I know a lot about this monster. Okay, and he once used to be a human, but he had no friends. What do you know about Uncle Wee? This man is literally better, dude. Uni, can you agree with me about Uncle Willie is better than Gordon Ramsay? Yes. He liked to read news about plane crashes. For real, Uncle Willie's better than Jalen. I said Jalen. Gordon Ramsay. This man, like Willie cooks the best food, better than freaking Gordon Ramsay. He blames you for his death. Now, let's know. This video I should say should be at least like 25 to 30 minutes long. I got it. Move! Everybody move. Oh my god, okay. You better pick the right one. There you are, we've been looking for you. Agent. Please choose agent. Bro! I swear, who did he choose? Hi, Uni0, you bozo! This man's just swearing. It's the monster. He lived. I hate Eggman. Noob agent and his monster. See, I told you. You want plane crash, noob? No, you didn't. Yes. You saved the day once again. Once again? That was so scary. Let's go home. Uncle Willie loves his death. So you're saying you're Uncle Willie. At least it's finally gone now. Finally gone. Airplane 2. Victory. That was actually a pretty fun game. Alright, yeah, that was actually a pretty cool game, not gonna lie. Yeah. Okay, so outro. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video from with Uni0 and me, SCR, which is me, and we thank you for watching. Who are you talking to? Shut up, bozo. let me do the outro. Okay. So thank you for watching this video of us playing Airplane 2, and we will see you guys in the next Roblox video whenever it will come out. And yeah, bye.